Somebody has a big snore for a tiny puppy.
Mm-hmm. She does have a really good snore.
Mm-hmm. You're a rascal. You're just a little brat, you know that? Oh, yeah. Just a brat.